Ever wondered? How to craft captivating presentations that stand out from the crowd? Welcome to the complete guide to Keynote, where creativity meets professionalism. With Keynote, you can transform your ideas into stunning visual stories, packed with dynamic animations, seamless transitions, and a touch of class. But where do you begin? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to crafting presentations that captivate and inspire. Create a presentation. To open Keynote, click the Keynote icon in the Dock, Launchpad, or the Applications folder. If the theme chooser doesn't appear, click New Document in the bottom left corner of the dialog. You can also choose File and click New from the File menu at the top of your screen. If you'd like the ability to format table and chart data using the conventions of another language, choose the language in the bottom left corner before choosing a theme. See Format a presentation for another language. In the Theme Chooser, browse the themes by category, then double-click the one that looks closest to what you want to create. To narrow the choices, click a category along the sidebar on the left. Some themes aren't downloaded to your computer until you choose them or open a presentation that uses one. If your connection is slow or you're offline when this happens, placeholder images and slide backgrounds in the presentation may appear at a lower resolution until you're online again or the theme finishes downloading. To use a different slide layout for the first slide, click the Slide Layout button in the Format sidebar on the right, then select a different layout. Each slide layout offers a different arrangement of text and images that you use as a starting point for your content. To add your own content to the presentation, do any of the following. Add a slide. Click in the toolbar, then select a layout. Add text. Double-click placeholder text and type your own. Add an image. Drag an image from your Mac or a web page to a placeholder image or anywhere else on the slide. Choose File and click Save. Enter a name, choose a location, then click Save. Keynote automatically saves your changes as you work, so you don't need to worry about saving your presentation manually, or change where it's saved at any time. If iCloud Drive is set up on your Mac, Keynote saves the presentation to iCloud Drive by default. To play the presentation, click in the toolbar, then press the arrow keys to advance through the slides. To end the presentation, press the Escape key. To close the presentation, click the red Close button in the top left corner of the window. To navigate your presentation, to set how to navigate your presentation, do the following. Open the presentation. In the Document sidebar, click the Document tab. Select one of the following options in the Presentation Type menu. Normal. The presentation changes slides or starts animations when the presenter or viewer presses the right arrow or left arrow key, or clicks a link. This is useful if you want to present the slides sequentially. Links only. The presentation changes slides or starts animations only when the presenter or viewer clicks a link. This is useful if you want to present an interactive slideshow, or if you want to present slides in non-sequential order. To learn more about using links to create interactive slideshows, see Add Linked Objects to make your presentation interactive. Self-playing. The presentation advances and starts animations automatically, with no interaction needed to navigate between slides. To learn more about self-playing presentations, see Make a Presentation Advance Automatically. To play the presentation, click to select the slide you want to begin with in the Slide Navigator or Light table. Choose File and click Save from the File menu at the top of your screen. Enter a name in the Save As field. Then enter one or more tags if you want to. Click the Where pop-up menu and choose a location. To have the presentation appear on all your devices set up with iCloud Drive, save the presentation in the Keynote folder in iCloud Drive. To see this option, iCloud Drive must be set up on your Mac. To create a new folder for the presentation, click the Where pop-up menu and choose Other. Then click New Folder at the bottom of the dialog. Enter a name for the folder, then click Create. Click Save. Click the presentation name at the top of the Keynote window, then type a new name. Click anywhere outside the dialog to dismiss it. With the presentation open, and choose File, then click Save As. Type a name for the copy, then press Return. The copy is saved to the same location as the original. You can change where the copy is saved or send the copy to someone. Do one of the following. Find a recently opened presentation. In Keynote, choose File and click Open Recent. Keynote shows the last 10 presentations you opened. I have only 3, as you can see. Search for a presentation by its title or content. Click the spotlight icon in the menu bar in the top right corner of your screen, then type what you're looking for in the search field. Results appear as you type. In the search results, double-click the presentation to open it. Choose File and click Print. Specify the number of copies and whether you want to print one page or all pages. In the pop-up menu below the page selection controls, choose Keynote. If you don't see the pop-up menu, click Show Details at the bottom of the print dialog. Click a print format: slide, grid, handout, or outline. Then select checkboxes next to any of the options. The options vary depending on the format you choose. To print comments, choose the slide layout, then select the Include Comments checkbox. Click Print. Tip: to create a PDF with these settings, click the PDF pop-up menu at the bottom of the print dialog and choose an option. Undo or redo changes. Undo the last action. Choose Edit and Undo, or press Command-Z on your keyboard. Redo the last action you undid. Choose Edit and Redo, or press Shift-Command-Z. Show or hide sidebars. To show or hide the sidebar, you can also choose View, Inspector, Format or View, Inspector, Hide Inspector. You can also view and manage objects: text boxes, lines, shapes, images, charts, and tables in the object list. Open a slide from Slide Navigator. Click a slide thumbnail to view the slide. Press the down arrow or up arrow key on your keyboard to move to the next or previous slide. Move to a specific slide. Press Ctrl-Command-G, type the slide number, then press Return or click Go to Slide. You can also choose Slide, go to Slide. You can zoom in or zoom out your overall view of a slide and the surrounding workspace. For example, you can zoom in to focus on the cells of table or zoom out to work on the layout of your slide. Click the Zoom pop-up menu in the toolbar. Select an option, a percentage. The slide enlarges or reduces accordingly. Fit slide. The slide adjusts to fill the window. If you enlarge or reduce the size of the Keynote window, the zoom level changes so that the slide always fills the window. Note: this option turns off the extended canvas, and content there may disappear from view. To see it again, click Zoom in the toolbar and deselect Fit Slide. Click Zoom again and deselect Auto Center, then choose View, Zoom to fit content. To quickly zoom in or out, choose View, Zoom in to enlarge a slide, or View, Zoom out to reduce it. We can choose these commands multiple times to reduce a slide to 10% or enlarge it to 400%. You can expand the Keynote window to fill the entire screen. Do one of the following. Click the green button in the top left corner of the Keynote window. Choose View, click Enter Full Screen. To see the Keynote menu and other menu bar controls, move the pointer to the top of the screen. To return to regular view, move the pointer to the top of the screen, then click the green button or choose View. Exit full screen. Customize the toolbar. The toolbar at the top of the window gives you quick access to the controls you need. As you discover which controls you use most, you can add, remove, and rearrange toolbar buttons to suit your work style. Hide or show toolbar. Choose View, Hide Toolbar, or View, Show Toolbar. Choose View, Customize Toolbar. Do any of the following. Add or remove items from the toolbar. Drag an item to the toolbar to add it. Drag an item away from the toolbar to remove it. Rearrange items in the toolbar. Drag an item to reorder it. The Format, Animate, and Document buttons move together and can't be separated. Reset the toolbar. To restore the toolbar to its default setting, drag the set of buttons at the bottom of the window to the toolbar. Remove button names. Click the pop-up menu at the bottom of the window, then choose Icon Only. By default, Keynote shows icons and text. Change Keynote settings. Keynote settings affect how Keynote behaves, and they apply to all of your Keynote presentations. Choose Keynote Settings. To see each group of settings, click General, Rulers, or Auto Correction at the top of the window. Many settings are part of your computer's system settings rather than Keynote settings. For example, you can change some language settings in the keyboard section of System Settings. To open System Settings, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, then choose System Settings. You can change some settings, such as automatic spelling correction, in 3 places: in System Settings for spelling correction in all apps, in Keynote settings for all Keynote presentations, and in the Edit menu for the current presentation. As we conclude this Part 1 journey through the intricacies of Keynote, remember what you've learned today is just the tip of the iceberg. In the next installment, we'll delve even deeper into the realm of captivating presentations, unveiling advanced techniques and hidden gems to elevate your slideshows to new heights. So, dear viewers, stay tuned for more exciting insights and techniques in our upcoming sessions. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep inspiring with Keynote.